Now I will share the SWOT analysis of the business. Strength. The greatest strength of the business is that it can be differentiated from other companies that sell similar products. The reason why is because our value propositions are clear and strong. We will not just sell food. Instead, we will provide a way to improve the health and feeding habits of our customers. Weakness. A big weakness of the business is that I, the owner and founder, haven't previous experience managing a business. Therefore, I will probably make some mistakes at the beginning. However, that will not be an impediment to continue, and I will make sure to talk and receive help from quality mentors. Opportunity. A big opportunity that the business has is the easy access we have in this country to high quality raw materials. Therefore, we can make sure that those materials we will be using meet our high standards to provide our customers a good product. Threat. Our biggest threat is our competitors, that are big companies already well established and known around the country. Once again, it will not be an impediment to continue with the business and the vision and goals we have. During the last weeks, I have been working on my business model canvas. I completed it in 1 week, but the rest of the time I kept working to improve it and make any necessary changes in every single block, and these are some of the most significant pivots and improvements I made. I added a nutritionist to the key partners block. That way, he can help us to make sure that our products are healthy and to know how exactly can improve the health of our customers. After pondering about our value propositions, I changed the structure of two in order to express in a more clear way how our customers will benefit by consuming our products. After learning about customer archetypes, I added 3 to the customer segment block. Finally, I changed and improved my get, keep, and grow strategy on the customer relationships block. Interviewing people to receive feedback of my product and business has been a great experience. It helped me to improve every block of my business model canvas, and it provided me meaningful lessons. I will share with you the most relevant insights from the research interviews for each block. Customer segments. It is essential to know and distinguish each segment. Otherwise, it is difficult to measure the effectiveness of an interview. Value propositions. They have to be clear and briefly explain which problems we are helping to solve. Channels. It is important to choose the channel in which our product can be sold better and can reach more customers. Customer relationships. A well-developed strategy is essential to the success of the whole business. Revenue streams. I have to set a price based on the value my product will bring to customers. Key resources. It is essential to make sure that I have added all the resources that are required to the proper functioning of the business. Key activities. I should get in contact with the owner of a fabric to make sure I have added all the necessary key activities. Key partnerships. To avoid future problems, it is vital to talk and discuss all the terms that involve creating a partnership. All important costs must be included in the block. If not, the business can have serious financial problems in the future. Thank you.